How to pay Manulife Premium. Manulife Bank is a Canadian online bank offering savings accounts, mortgages, and other financial services without traditional branches. Customers access their accounts through online banking, mobile apps, and ATMs. First, download Manulife Bank application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log in your account with username and password. On homepage, click on Payments button. Tap Insurance section. Click on Manulife. Select the account from which you are making the payment. Enter your proposal number or policy number. Click on Done. Review everything and click Pay Now button. Confirm the payment with your mobile PIN. Your premium payment is complete. That's it. Thanks for watching.